Hey stellar guitarists, it's Amber here with another beginner guitar lesson, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play Silent Night on the guitar. I've had a lot of followers from my Stellar Guitarist Instagram page request to learn the song, so if this is something that you'd be interested in learning, then stick around and let's get into the lesson. So this is a relatively easy song to play on the guitar. We will only be using 3 chords, all really beginner friendly. The chords you will need for the song are C major, G major, and D major. If you're struggling to play these chords because they hurt your fingers or you're finding the stretches quite challenging, I've linked a video above where I teach easier versions of these chords, so you can go check that out if you would like to know how to simplify the chords used in the song. Now, before we jump into learning the strumming pattern, there is one thing that you need to understand. Silent Night is in something called 3/4 time. So what this means is that there are 3 beats per bar. So how this would sound would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So as you can hear from the demonstration, the song has a bit more of a swinging feel to it, almost like a waltz. So what that means is that we're going to have to adjust our strumming to match the rhythm of the song. So what I would recommend for any beginner is to practice playing through Silent Night just with 1 down strum every 3 counts. So let's play through it together, starting on a G major chord. I've put the chords up on the screen here for you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mother and child. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So once you're confident playing with 1 single down strum on all the chords in the song, then you can try the strumming pattern. So what I would suggest is using the pattern down, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So if we add in the chords with a strumming pattern, it will sound like this. Down, down, up, down. Silent night. Down, down, up, down. To D. And back to G. So go ahead and pause the video now if you need to practice those chord changes with the new strumming pattern. Make sure that you're feeling comfortable and confident before joining me in the play along, which is coming up next. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, singing in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. That is the whole song. Of course, there are other verses in Silent Night, so if you just go and do a Google search, I'm sure that those other verses will pop up. But the really cool thing is that the chords used in the first verse are repeated throughout the rest of the song. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. That way you'll never miss any of the lessons that I release in the future. Pop down in the comments below, say hi, let me know what other Christmas songs you'd like me to teach you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!